Hi guys, I have another story for you guys about butterflies and their life cycle. This book is called Monarch Butterflies and it's by Laura Hamilton Waxman. Now these are monarch butterflies. Our butterflies are painted lady butterflies. This is a monarch butterfly. A monarch butterfly is an insect. Most insects have 4 wings. A monarch's wings are orange, black, and white. Take a closer look at these wings. Do you see the scales? These scales protect the monarchs from the rain. A monarch uses its wings to fly from flower to flower. It uses its legs to grab onto the flower. Inside each flower is a sweet juice. It's called nectar. A monarch butterfly sucks up the nectar with its long black tongue. That's its tongue right there. A monarch finds new flowers with the 2 antennae on its head. Antennas help a monarch feel and smell. So those antennae right there help it smell. In the fall, flowers die. The weather becomes too cold for monarchs. Many monarch butterflies fly from south to the warm Mexico. Look at that. Look at that flight of monarchs. There's so many of them. The traveling monarchs sleep at night. They hang from bushes and trees. Hundreds of monarchs cling to the trunk of this tree. Look at all those. My goodness. They have finally arrived in Mexico. They will rest like this all winter. When spring comes, monarchs will return to the north. What else happens in the spring? Spring is the time that they begin to lay eggs. Female monarchs lay their eggs under leaves of the milkweed plant. Each egg is tiny and sticky. It stays stuck to its leaf. So this is a huge projection of a monarch's egg. Look, something is popping its head out of the egg. What is it? It's a monarch larva. Butterfly larvas are also called caterpillars. Monarch larvas grow bigger each day. They eat and eat and eat and eat and eat. The larva eats nothing but milkweed and leaves. A larva moves from one part of the milkweed to another. It uses legs to move and hold on to the plant. Now notice, this caterpillar is not spiky like our caterpillars. Our caterpillars are much spikier. The larva keeps growing. Its skin becomes too tight. What will it do? A larva molts. It wiggles out of its tight skin. Underneath is a new, bigger skin. Can you find the old skin? Look, right there. In our containers, they look like little black circles. That's the skin molt. A larva stops eating and growing after about 2 to 3 weeks. Then it finds a sturdy branch or a twig to hang from. The larva molts one last time. It's becoming a chrysalis. So maybe some of your caterpillars are hanging in this J shape just like mine are. And look, that's where it's starting to split and its skin is coming off and it's going into its chrysalis. Something amazing is happening inside the chrysalis. Can you guess what it is? The chrysalis is becoming a monarch butterfly. Now notice these chrysalises are bright green in the beginning, and then they get kind of clear and you can see their wings through them. Our chrysalis of our painted ladies is not that bright green color. It's kind of a brownish, tannish color, but it does have some dots of gold on it, just like this chrysalis does. Out comes a butterfly. Its wings are soft and very wet. Soon the wings will harden and dry. The new monarch is ready to fly. The end. So, the butterflies in this book are monarchs, and as we said, they fly to Mexico. So the butterflies in the eastern half of the United States, like New Jersey, fly all the way down to a special spot in Mexico. The ones on the west coast usually always go to California and stay there for the winter. Our painted lady butterflies do not go to Mexico, especially since this is the first generation of the year. They will stay in our area. Now, painted lady butterflies do migrate in the fall because they cannot survive the winter, but they don't go to Mexico. There has not been that much research done yet as to where they go. Maybe in the next couple of years, we'll hear where they go. All right. Bye, guys.